I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping automatic syncing so local files won't be overwritten. First, open Steam and right-click the game in your library. Select Properties, then General. Uncheck the option labeled Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud that stops further uploads. Once done, make a local backup of your current save files to a separate folder. This preserves a restore point if something goes wrong. Make sure Steam finishes any current sync activity before moving to the next step. Next, locate the game's local save folder. This is often in Documents, App Data, or Steam's User Data path. You need to copy the files you backed up, or the ones still on disk, into that local save directory so the game loads them instead of contacting the cloud. Pay attention to file names and extensions. Some games use specific formats. Once copied, right-click and set proper file permissions if required, and confirm timestamps so the game accepts the files as the latest saves. Finally, test the change. Close Steam and relaunch in offline mode, then start the game to verify it loads the local saves. If the game reads your copied files, you're done. If not, double-check file names and folder paths. Make a habit of keeping that backup. If you ever re-enable Steam Cloud, conflicts can occur. Restore the backup to revert. If you see a cloud conflict prompt, choose the local copy or restore the backup immediately to avoid unintended overwrites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.